Hey, Jaiyan, it's your reading partner, Julio. Hope you're doing well. I just thought I'd read you another story. Hope you're still reading each and every day and listening to your parents and making sure you're doing the things that you're supposed to be doing at home and still learning. So let me just go ahead and read this story. I don't think we've read this one before. So here we go. The story is called Alex Likes Noise, written by Anne Hart. Alex lived in the city. He loved the city sounds. Horns beeped and buses roared. Doors slammed and tires squealed. People talked and children laughed. We're moving to the farm, Dad said. Alex was sad. I will miss the city. The country will be too quiet. Alex and Dad drove to the country. Alex stood outside. He listened. Frogs croaked and birds tweeted. Horses whinnied and cows mooed. Chickens clucked and ducks quacked. Alex smiled. The country isn't quiet at all. Wow, that was a pretty good story. So, questions I have for you. What did Alex hear in the city? Next question. What did Alex hear in the country? And the next question is, where is Alex moving to? And the last question, Jaiyan, is, how does Alex feel about the city? Well, hope you like this story, and you be well and keep reading. Your hard work is paying off, and I'll try to do another recording next week, okay? Talk to you later. Bye-bye.